Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Maulana Ilhamsyah from the Visual Communication Design Study Program at Ma'arif Simulative University. In this video, I will explain about economic indicator Sidoarjo District. Okay. Gross Regional Domestic Product or GRDP. One the indicator to measure the economic growth of the region is Gross Regional Domestic Product or GDP. By definition, GRDP is the total value of goods and service produced in the certain region in a certain time reaches of the ownership factor. So, the gross regional domestic product or GDP, a graph show the ability on area generated income or return service to the factor of production in the area or is a production origin. In GRDP, it is that the value of good and service is produced by various production units in a region over a certain period of time, usually yearly or quarterly, basing last year shift is making change by year of Indonesia GDP from 2000 to 2010. Change to base year of the GDP made in line with adopting the recommendation of the United Nations or UN contain the 2008 System of National Account or SNA 2008 through the preparation of the supply and use tables or SUT. GRDP is present in two calculation bases. A base of the current price or DHP, namely the presentation of GRDP that describes the amount of the value added of goods and service calculation using the price prevailing at the current year. In looking the economic structure of a region is usually use GDP at current price. On the basis of constant price or ADHK, namely the presentation of GRDP that describe the amount of value added of good and service calculation using price in year or called the base year. Starting in 2005, the calculation of GRDP on the basis of price constant with a basis on 2000 price because is uses constant or fixed. Then the aggregate development from year to year is solely due to the real development of the production quantum and no longer contains price fluctuation. With this ADHK presentation, real economic growth containable. GRDP per capita. GRDP per capita is GRDP divided by the mid-year population. This amount influenced by the mid-year population in the sense the larger the population, the smaller the GRDP per capita of the region, the higher the GDP per capita of region, the better the level of the economy of the region. Although this measure cannot show the gap income between residents, although there are a limitation, this per capita GRDP indicator is quite adequate to determine the level of economy of a region in the macroscope and list the represent to monitor the ability of a region produce domestic product, good and service in the region. In order to accommodate the recommendation of the United Nations or UN regarding the base year use the calculation GDP or GRDP in implementing mutual agreement starting in 2014. The preparation of the GRDP of Sidoarjo regionally using 2010 as the new this year. GRDP at current price according to business file. In the year 2017, it is around 150 billion to 200 billion. In the year 2018, experienced an increase of 150 billion to 200 billion. In the year 2019, experienced an increase of 200 to 215 billion. In the year 2020, experienced as decrease of 150 billion to 200 billion. In the year 2022, expression as increase of 200 billion to 250 billion. GRDP at constant price by business file. In the year 2017, it is around 100 billion to 150 billion. In the year 2018, experienced an increase of 100 billion to 150 billion. In the year 2019, experienced an increase to 100 billion to 150 billion. In the year 2022 and 20, experienced an decrease of 1 billion to 150 billion. In the year 2022, present and decrease of 100 billion to 150 billion. Revenue and Expenditure Budget or RRBP. The political policy of different relation market by the enactment of law no 32 years 2004 concerning regional government, granting autonomy right the regional governments in administering local government. Both the provincial and district city levels, the administration of government in the regions is left to the regional government unless foreign policy, defense and security, education, monetary and fiscal authorities. Regional government are also given the authority to manage the Regional Financial Law No. 33 of 2004 and followed by Government Regulation number 58 years old 2005 concerning regional financial management. Regional financial management is released with the Regional Revenue and Expenditure Budget or RREB, which is determined annually with regional regulation. The process of determining the EPBD is carried out by regional head with the approval of the DPRD and his evaluation for a period of one fiscal year starting from 1 January to December 31. Okay, see you next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.